You were almost asleep. Then your leg kicks hard and you snap awake. Sometimes it comes with a feeling of falling. That twitch has a name, the hypnic jerk. Roughly 2/3 of people have felt one. About 1 in 10 get them most nights. It happens to babies, adults, men, women, everyone. Sleep scientists call it nearly universal. So here is the strange part. The people who study this for a living openly admit they don't fully know why it happens.
Strap sensors to a sleeper and you can watch it. A hypnic jerk is a quick burst of muscle activity. It lasts under a quarter of a second. It fires right at the edge between waking and sleep in the lightest stage. Often it hits one limb or one side, not the whole body. Sometimes a flash of light, a loud snap, or a falling dream comes with it. Your heart can race for a moment. Unlike many sleep events, you remember it clearly. These are the facts we can record.
Here is a clever trick researchers use. They record the brain's electricity just before each jerk. If the thinking part of the brain caused it, a signal should show up first. It doesn't. The cortex stays quiet right before the twitch, so the command is coming from somewhere lower. Suspicion lands on the brainstem, an ancient lump at the base of your skull. The jerk seems to rise from there, below conscious thought. That part is genuinely measured, not guessed. So what's the leading idea? Falling asleep is a handover. One system keeps you alert, another system pushes you down into sleep. As control passes between them, the brain dials down your muscles. The best guess is that this handover briefly stutters. For a split second, the brakes slip and a motor command escapes. That escaped command is the jerk. It is a plausible story, and it fits the data. But no one has caught that stutter on a recording yet. It stays a hypothesis.
You have probably heard a tidier answer. The jerk is your ancient brain thinking you're falling out of a tree. It tenses your muscles to grab the branch. It is a great story. It traces to one 2006 paper by 2 Colorado researchers. Read their actual words, and they are careful. They wrote that the cause is unknown. They called the tree idea a common hypothesis, nothing more. They offered no muscle data, no brain scans, no fossils. Everyone who repeated it quietly dropped those warnings. The qualifiers fell off, and a guess hardened into a fact. Triggers do seem to matter. Caffeine, stress, late workouts, too little sleep. But those are observations, not controlled experiments. Almost nobody funds a deep study because the jerk is harmless. So the field stays thin, on purpose. A 2018 review summed it up in one word: enigmatic. Here is the line worth keeping. 2/3 of us do this thing every so often, and the experts still can't tell us why. Tonight, your brain will hand you over to sleep, and sometimes it fumbles the pass.